I take it that you've clicked on this video because you want some ideas of how to organise your wardrobe. Well, I'm a mum to 4 children and a dog. I always get the dog bit in. And I'm going to show you how I organise my wardrobe to fit my lifestyle now, not my fantasy self, not my going out outfits, not my work outfits that I never wear. Everything in my wardrobe that I wear on a daily basis. And these are all my favourite clothes because I've really minimised my wardrobe. So I'm only wearing the things that I absolutely love. This is a really easy method and I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to declutter your wardrobe, how to organise your wardrobe, and I'm going to show you the organising systems that I've got as well and put some links in my description box on the organisers that I've got as well because I've got some really nice ones. I'm also going to show you how I organise the shelves in my wardrobe as well because I've got hanging clothes, but I've also got clothes organised into little boxes and I've separated them into categories, and those are on my shelf in my wardrobe, which is closed at the moment, and I've just noticed how smudgy this glass is. Let's get stuck straight in, shall we? The first thing I'm going to say, and this is a really important factor, is to start decluttering your wardrobe and be ruthless with this. I will put some links to some videos that I've done on how to declutter your wardrobe because I've made quite a few. I've spent the last 2 years really minimizing my clothes because I want more of a capsule wardrobe. I also want to just wear my absolute favorite clothes, the things that I feel good in and the things that I'm going to reach for every day. And the reason why I say it's really important to declutter your clothes is you want to make room in your wardrobe. You want to get rid of the clothes that don't fit you anymore, so either they're too small or too big. Maybe they're a bit baggy, maybe they're a little bit too tight. You want to get rid of uncomfortable clothes as well. Anything that you feel like you're tugging down constantly, or maybe you're like feeling it like it's a little bit tight on the waist, or maybe the material's a bit scratchy or just doesn't feel nice on your skin. Get rid of those as well. Anything that's a little bit overworn and is just not your favourite. Also get rid of things that you're keeping for your fantasy self. For instance, I got rid of loads of going out clothes because I just don't go out that much. I have got going out clothes in my wardrobe, but most of it went and I've only got a few select pieces in my wardrobe. So if you're holding on to things like old dresses that you've worn at weddings and you maybe haven't worn that dress for 5 years, maybe you've got loads of party clothes and you don't reach for half of them, have a little think if you can get rid of those. Also, if you've got smart clothes in your wardrobe, maybe you used to work somewhere and you don't work there anymore, and you spend most of your time rolling around with the kids, so you're in leggings or joggers or like really comfortable clothing and you're not wearing your smart clothes, think about decluttering those as well. If there are certain pieces that you want to hold on to, just put them in a box and get them out of your wardrobe and out of the way. And by doing all these things, that's just going to get rid of so many clothes that you don't wear so that you can start organising your favourite clothes. Let's get stuck straight in. I'm going to show you exactly how I organise my wardrobe now. First of all, I want to show you my wardrobe organiser. How cool is this? It's quite a new purchase of mine. I think I've had it for about 6 months. I've also got one in my little girl's wardrobe as well. And honestly, this has been a game changer for me in the mornings because what I like to do on a weekend is plan 5 days worth of outfits. And then all I need to do is just grab my outfit in the morning and go, it's just one less thing to think about in the morning, so I'm not having to wear my brain out. And I can literally just get out the door so quickly. So yeah, I organise my outfits, and this goes for everything, like my tops, my bottoms, my underwear and my socks as well. Even down to things like jackets, hoodies. I will plan a complete whole outfit and it is brilliant because they're quite deep, these sections. This is great. I will leave a little link to this one and the one that I've got in my little girl's wardrobe because theirs is a bit smaller. I think theirs is 4 sections. And then what I like to do, and this is my method of organising my wardrobe, is I like to put things in colour order. I also like to put things in categories, so like items together. For instance, all my jackets together. So here I've got all my jackets together. I've got my leather jacket, I've got my little black bomber jacket, and can you see how I put the colours together as well? Just makes finding things so much quick and easy. Yeah, that does make sense. And then I've got my denim jacket, I got my pink bomber jacket, I got my green jacket, but then I also have got my green things together. So anything that's khaki, I've tried to put it together just so that I think sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you feel like wearing a certain colour. So if I feel like wearing khaki, I can just find the khaki in my wardrobe really quickly. That's the reason why I do that. I also like to put all my going out outfits together. So like I said, it's just so easy to find. And to be honest, because I don't go out all that often, if they're pushed to the one side, I'm not having to sift through my going out outfits to find my everyday outfits. Right on the edge here, I've got my going out outfits. I got a couple of dresses. So I got two of my, oh, just dropped that. I got two of my favourite dresses, and then I've got a play suit as well. This is a going out play suit. But then these are my newest organisers, and honestly, I love these. They came as a recommendation from my friend. They are these sort of, let me show you what they are. So they're these little metal bars. You can just hang your clothes on them like this, and then you can hang them and they fall flat in your wardrobe. So they take up less space on your hanging rail. But then what I love about this, and honestly, this is like magic. Let me show you in my wardrobe. See how much space I've got in my wardrobe now that I've done it like this? I can actually hook it up like this and see all the tops that I've got. How cool is that? So I've got all my going out tops together on one rail, and then I can literally just do this. And then if I want like a everyday top or a long sleeve top, I can go like this. And I've literally just got two long sleeve tops because I live in the UK and it's a bit cold still at the moment. But then I've got my black tops together. So these are like my everyday tops. So it's just easy to find, and I can just put it down like that. And then I've put all my blue tops together. So if I feel like wearing blue, I do have another one. So I think I was wearing it yesterday. But I put all my blue tops together, and these are my everyday tops as well. So I can easily find things. You can see here as well that I've put all my blue dresses next to my blue tops. It just means that if I feel like wearing something blue that day, which is blue, as you can tell, blue is one of my favourite colours. Actually, this is a blue top I was talking about. I can just easily find them. So I got all my blue dresses together, you see. So just these are all my summer dresses. I have swapped my wardrobe. Oh, sorry about the squeak. I have swapped my wardrobe over now. So I've put all my winter stuff under the bed, and now I've got my summer clothes out. If you're interested, I have done a seasonal swap over video. So I did swapping over from my summer clothes to my winter clothes. So at the moment I got all my summer stuff in there. I got some of my patterned dresses together. I don't keep a lot of patterned clothes in my wardrobe, only because I just find it hard to mix and match my clothes like that. So I have got rid of quite a lot of my patterned clothes. So that I still have patterns clothes because I do like them. Then, like I said, I've got all my khaki stuff together, all my jackets, which I've already showed you. I got my denim stuff. So I've got two pinafore denim dresses, and then I've also got this pinafore like dungarees shorts play suit. I got this off Vinted. I love it. Honestly love it. I got it last year. So yeah, and then I've also got all my play suits together. But I've tried to put them in colour order as best as I can. So all the pinky colours together, got some play suits. I also got this one recently from Vinted. How pretty is that? It's cute, isn't it? And then I've got my pink dresses together as well. So like I said, I try to keep them all in colour order. So that's how I like to organise my wardrobe. But I will leave a link to those little bar organisers because honestly, they've been great. And to be honest, they are really reasonably priced as well. I'm now going to show you my shelves and how I organise those. Here's my two shelves that I've got in my wardrobe. I will show you what's in each box, but these boxes I got from IKEA, and honestly they've been brilliant for organising my wardrobe. I will leave a link if I can find any of these boxes, but obviously you can just get them from IKEA, but they have been brilliant. And what I like to do is I section off my clothes by category just so that I can find things easier. So these are all my leggings, and I do roll my clothes like this. Now I'm not doing like a full Marie Kondo fold because I haven't got time for that, and I don't really know how to do it that well. But anyway, it's close enough. So what I do is I literally just roll up my clothes, and it makes things more easy to find, but it also makes things fit nicer in these boxes as well. And then what I've got here is some of my little cycling shirts. So because it's the summer now, I wear a lot of cycling shorts under dresses. I've also got a box here of shorts. So I've got 3 pairs of shorts in there. Like I said, I've got quite a minimal wardrobe now, so there's not too many in there. And then at the back here, I've got this box, and this is my vests box. So I've just got different vests. Like I said, I've tried to fold them up in the Marie Kondo way and not done an amazing job, to be honest, but it works well for me. And then I've just put all colours together as best as I can. I've got 2 little pairs of cycling shorts here, very small ones, and those go underneath going out dresses. So yeah, that's all my vests. And then at the back here, I've also got another box. Oh, see how great these boxes are, and they're brilliant because they've got handles as well. I've just got some going out clothes. So I've got 2 skirts. I've also got some smarter trousers in there as well, and some tights. And then at the bottom here, I've got my jeans. And to be honest, I go to this box all the time because I do wear quite a lot of jeans, but I do wear stretchy skinny jeans and jeggings more now that I'm a bit older. I'm 32. So I've just rolled them up and I've got them together like that, and there's literally 4 pairs. I've got a nice pair on that I got from New Look. I love these, so I will link these because they're new and they're so comfortable. So I will leave a link if you're interested. I've also got this organizer thing here, and this has been brilliant. I got this from Amazon, I think. I got it a long time ago. It is only a cheap one. It's quite flimsy, but to be honest, it does the job. And I have sectioned this off as well. So in these sections, for instance, I've got all my vests together. So I got vests in there. I got all shorts in that one. And then in this one here at the front, I've got my gym bras or like sports bras. So I can just easily find things. And I did have a massive sort out of all my gym stuff as well and got rid of loads because, to be honest, I'm not the greatest for going to the gym. So I don't need loads. So that's how I've organised that. Let me just show you what's at the back here. So this box here, it's like a basket, like a fold-out basket. I think I did get that from IKEA a very long time ago though, so it's quite tall. It does fit loads. I got a few gym leggings in there because I will wear the gym leggings during the day as well, so I do wear those quite a lot. And then I've also just got a black sports jacket there. This was a hand-me-down from my 15-year-old son because it just doesn't fit him anymore, so I thought I'd keep it. And then here is just my casual joggers set that I wear around the house. It's just a grey tracksuit. So here's my chest of drawers. Let me show you what I do. So I've got these plastic sectioner things, and these are brilliant. I will find some of those and link them because they have been great. I've got all my winter socks here on the one side. So these are like my thermal socks, my longer socks. I put all those on the one side. And then I've got all my sports socks. So my sporty ankle socks in this section just means that I'm not having to rummage around a drawer trying to find my sports socks. I open this drawer and I can find a pair of socks within like a split second. It's brilliant. And then this drawer, ignore that drawer. That's just a random bits and pieces drawer. I got my straighteners in there, my jewellery and some sweets from my little girls. It's a very random drawer. I got some brilliant boxes from IKEA. So these are the Scub boxes and they come in a pack of 6. So they come with 2 square ones like this, 2 quite big square ones. That's my babies. And then they also come with 2 rectangle ones like this, which is great for small underwear like pants, which I've done here. And then they also come with these little ones as well. So they come with 2 little ones, and I've organised socks in there. So in here I've got my everyday socks, so not just my sports socks, my everyday ankle socks. They are normally in pairs. I don't know why some of them are not at the moment. I've also got my white ankle socks at the back, just so I can easily find my white ankle socks. And then what I've done is I've sectioned off my pants in different colours. So I got black pants, white pants and neutral. And then I've also got coloured underwear as well. So that's what I've done. And then in the little gaps, I put my bathers because there's room and I'm making most of the space. And then in this drawer here, I've got my bras, and I've sectioned these off in colours as well. So I've got all my whites and neutrals on that side. So this is an IKEA box again. I've got all my blacks here, and I have got a random blue because I put blues and greens and all sorts in there. They're the dark colours. And then I've got the pinks then all in that box as well. So just means I can find things really easily. Let me show you how I organise my shoes as well. So I recently got these amazing little perspex boxes. They're really strong actually. They're not like the bendy type. They are really strong. And then what I love about these is they've got little magnet doors, which I think is fab. And I got these from Debenhams, but I'm sure you can find them other places. I'll see if I can find these on Amazon actually. But what I've done is I've just put all my trainers together so I can find all my trainers. And I've got 1 pair of trainers in each box so that they're not being piled on top of one another. I'm not going to get them dirty, and I can easily find what I want because they're see-through. I can see exactly what's in each box. So since organising my shoes like this, honestly, I can pick my shoes so quick and easy now. I used to have my shoes in these, I don't know if you can see them, these IKEA shoe organisers, which are really good. but I can't see through the mesh very well. So I just found them a little bit awkward. So I do find it so much better now that I can just open the little cupboard and just get what I want. I've put all my boots together as well. So here I've got my ankle boots, my calf length boots. I've got other boots as well. So all my boots are together. And then here I've put my going out shoes, just so I know I've got 2 pairs of going out shoes here, and they're just like little ankle boots but more special. And then I've just got my really mucky trainers that I use for dog walking. So everything is sort of in categories, just so I can pick things really easily. And as you can see, I've got these in the bottom of my wardrobe. So they're brilliant. Honestly, they are brilliant for storage because you can just put them wherever you want. Like for instance, I could choose to have just 3 on top of one another, and then I could have a 2, and then I could have a 1 if I wanted, or I could have all these stacked on top of one another really high and then have a few next to each other. Like for instance, you know, I've got this little spare box here, like I haven't had to attach that to anything, but all these, they stack on top of one another because they've got these little holes that you can lock them into place, so they are really sturdy. Like that's a tower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you did. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. I will be linking any other organising videos in my description box, and also my decluttering, my wardrobe videos as well that I've already made on my channel. If you want more tips on organising your clothes, I think you'll find this video really helpful. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.